Today, we're going to cover how a commercial cleaning service can create a hot leads list. And what the context of this blog is about guerrilla marketing and prospecting, especially in a time where the economy is hit and miss for a lot of businesses. There's a lot of businesses out there that are hurting, and this can apply to commercial cleaning, janitorial service, office cleaning, commercial carpet, any of the specialty services. This would all apply. And what the purpose is we're trying to figure out, okay, there's 40,000 businesses in my market or a million or whatever. Which ones actually have money right now and are spending it? Because in a time of financial distress, not everybody does. So this is one of the ways to do this is we're going to create a hot leads list, and the category today is going to be help wanted. Now this is just one way, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to look at help wanted ads with the theory that, well, if this company can spend 50, $100,000 plus to hire an employee, well, they have money, then they're open, they have money. And if you have a commercial cleaning, janitorial type of service, they are going to want to keep those employees comfortable. In order to convince them to come back to work, this is a big thing that companies are doing. And to convince people to work for them is that this is a safe, clean environment. So to to do this, I just chose an area, Phoenix, Arizona, and I looked up Phoenix newspapers, and I ran across AZ Central newspaper. Apparently, there's a big newspaper in Phoenix area, and these are the options. Now, this is going to depend on the type of services that you want to provide and who you want to target. The part-time customer service. So I'm going to click on customer service, and you can start to. Customer service is great for offices because that's where the call centers are. That's the type of jobs that a call center would have, a professional office. So I would start to go through and look at these businesses who are hiring, especially if they're hiring multiple people, and I would start to write them down and try to find out their phone. You could just Google these company names. Just first, you just want to start off with who. So we're just going to kind of scroll through this, and this Adecco, Front Door, Nexco, Manpower Group. If you keep scrolling through these, you're going to find some really good companies here. I'd be writing all this down. A software company, VMware, that's kind of technology related. And these people are all hiring. So I'm going to write their name down, find out their phone number, and I'm going to reach out to them and find out who the contact person is. Now, I'm going to scroll back. Let's say you don't want offices, you want hospitality. Well, there's a lot of restaurants and hotels that are in a lot of trouble right now. But if they're hiring, then chances are they're open and they have some money coming in, so they need to clean. There's a pop-up from the website. Um, so that's why I would go through and, okay, valet living, uh, spa associate, they would have to clean and just kind of go through. This looks like some kind of residential property manager, and I'd be writing these companies down. So this is just one example of a guerrilla marketing technique that you can do is you're going to search, and it's called a hot leads list, and it's guerrilla marketing, prospecting by going through help wanted ads in like your newspaper. That was today's example. There's other places locally, and see what companies are hiring right now today because they have money.